Hi everybody and welcome to Traverse City Guide. In today's video, I'll be taking you on a walk through downtown Traverse City on Front Street. We're gonna look at all the restaurants and shops you can experience when you visit Traverse City. Let's go. So you're gonna be able to park right on the street and get out and go shop with your family. All right, and here today we do have Natalie. She is gonna be my special helper today, showing you all that Traverse City has to offer downtown. Here's the Little Fleet. So Little Fleet is home of food trucks. They park inside this lot and this place is hopping in the summer. They have craft brews, specialty wines, and they have live music as well. And behind that tent, there actually is a full building as well. So they are open year-round. Like I said, parking is $1.65 an hour. You can parallel park on Front Street. Up here on the left, you have Bubba's Burgers. Delicious. They have really good food here. Why do I do these videos? I do these videos to make sure that you are informed when you come to Traverse City. On this east side of Front Street, you have a lot of commercial buildings, banks, title agencies. So the majority of your shops and restaurants are gonna be on the 100 and 200 block of Front Street. And there's the coin slot, which is actually a full arcade and bar. They actually have food trucks out here as well. Look at a little shipping container. It's so cool. You have some seating up top. Looks like they have a bar down there. Coming up on Nolan's Tobacco Shop. They have a bar as well. A lot of bars. Got a brewery back there. So if anybody in your family smokes cigars, this is the place to go. They have premium products here, and they are very knowledgeable. Looks like they have a new macaroon French pastry shop opening up. Huh. Harley Davidson shop. Now I've heard great things about the Good Bowl. It is a very authentic Vietnamese restaurant. Now there are two parking structures in Traverse City. There's one in Old Town and one on Front Street, conveniently located in the 200 block. 4 levels, including the roof. Plenty of space. WTCM. Now here at the corner of Park and Front Street, you will find Taproot, which has a farm-to-table approach to everything that it offers. Just located on the ground level. And look how close you are to the bay. You can walk right to the bay. It's less than a block. And Grand Traverse Pie, which is a local pie company. It's delicious. They have from scratch pies, and honestly my favorite is the apple crumb. Followed by Horizon Books, which is across there by the purple lit up tree. Followed by Sorellina Fine Italian. We actually ate there a few weeks ago and it was delicious. I got a baked Italian pasta. It was so good. Very fine dining. Price point's pretty high, but I'll tell you what, it's worth it. Natalie, what's across the street?
State Theater, where you can watch movies.
Every July into August, they have the Traverse City Film Festival. Got Red Ginger to the right of it. Great sushi place. Followed by Amakal to the left. So they bookend the State Theater. So when you come to Traverse City, I want to make sure you have the best time possible. So hopefully with this video, you'll find that by watching it, you'll be able to find what you're looking for. Miners North, UNI Lounge, a lot of art galleries, toy shops, a little bit of shopping for everybody. It is a blustery 28 degrees in the middle of January. So I plan to have a winter walkthrough and a summer walkthrough to make sure you are up to date on all the awesome shops and restaurants that are here in downtown Traverse City. Espresso Bay. Sparks Barbecue on the corner, and upstairs they have an event center. We are approaching the 100 block. So in the 100 block you have more t-shirt shops, a suit shop, a taco shop called Mama Lou's, amazing tacos. Got the Cherry Republic, which is all things cherry. Got a store called Nifty Things over on the black and white awning there. Pretty quiet down here. Most of the stores are open, but this is the quiet time. This is the best time to come if you're a local because you can get in and out. Pangea's. They have a roof deck. Followed by Kilwins in that corner building. M22. I'm sure you've heard of M22. Huge store. Very popular in Michigan. Poppycock's American Cuisine. Golden Shoes. Shoe store up here on the left. Got the Greenhouse Cafe, which we'll have to stop in there eventually. It's so good. Doesn't look like they're open. Great Lakes Bath and Body. Handmade soaps. Got Brew, which is a coffee and bar. Sandwiches there. And then you got the City Opera House, which is actually in those doors right there. It's a massive theater. Diversion's Hat Shop. Then in the corner you got the clock tower, as I call it, the Fifth Third Bank. James C. Smith Fine Jewelry. And then I won't be going down there, but there is actually Barrio way down there. Alright, well that's downtown Traverse City in a nutshell. Thanks so much for watching our video and subscribe for more up-to-date content. Also, you'll notice that I have a little helper here today. Yeah, thank you so much, Natalie, for all of your help. Again, Traverse City Guide is here to make sure that you have a great experience in Traverse City. So which shop or restaurant looked good to you? Leave a comment down below and tell me which one that you would want to eat at.